Hello, this is Karthik, studying in IR College from ITA section. Roll number is 230. Today in Tech Talk, my topic is bus topology. So, let us know about this bus topology and many more in this for the slides. So, let us go into the slides. Okay. Before going into the topic, let us discuss about what is network topology. So, a network topology is defined as the layout or arrangement of elements, usually nodes or links, in a communication network. Network topologies are used to define or describe the arrangement of various types of telecommunication networks such as computer networks, command and control radio networks, and industrial field buses. Okay, this is what about network topology. So here the network topology is defined as the layout or arrangement of an element in a communication network. This is the definition. So let us know what are the type of network topologies. So let us see them. Here the types of network topology. Types of network topology. There are four main types, actually five, but main are four. So here is bus topology, star topology, mesh topology, and ring topology. And there is another thing, that is hybrid topology. I am discussing the four main types of network topologies. So these are the types of network topologies. They are bus topology, star topology, mesh topology, and ring topology. So let us discuss about this. And here our topic is bus topology. So let us discuss about this. Here in bus topology, what is meant by bus topology is, in bus topology there is a main cable and all the devices are connected to this main cable through the drop lines. Okay, this is the what the bus topology is. And this star topology, and in star topology each device in the network is connected to a central device called hub. So the network is connected to a central device called hub. And here the mesh topology is, in mesh topology each device is connected to every other device on the network through a dedicated point to point link. Here the mesh topology says that each device is connected to every other device on the network, a dedicated point to point link. Okay, and other one is the ring topology. In ring topology each device is connected with the two devices on a ring. Okay, this is actual for the main four types of network topology. Here our topic is bus topology. So let us discuss about this. What is the bus topology and their advantages and disadvantages? So let us see. Here a bus topology. The bus topology, as we said, that is defined as a network that has a common backbone to connect all devices. A single cable, the backbone, as we said, works as a shared medium that devices tap or attach into via an interface connector. Usually, bus topologies consist of two signals and ends that travel from one end to other. As we said before, the bus topology, there is a one main network which all the networks or devices will connect to that. Here, that is the backbone for that. A single cable works as a shared medium that devices tap or attach into via an interface connector. So bus topology consists of two signals and ends that travel from one end to another end. So let us see that advantages and disadvantages and diagram and what is bus topology, etc. So here there is an image about the bus topology. As we said, it is connected to the one main cable or one single cable, and it is the backbone for that. So this is the bus topology, and Let us see the advantages and disadvantages of this bus topology. And here we can see this image, the best example for this bus topology. The main cable which is connected to the several devices. Okay, this is the image of the bus topology, and let us see the advantages and disadvantages. A device that wants to communicate with another device sends a broadcast to the wire from the other device to see. This is what is this is the actual meaning of that previous device. Sorry, previous image. A device that wants to communicate with another device sends a broadcast to the wire for the other devices to see. Only the intended recipient actually processes the accepts and the message. Only the intended recipient actually processes and accepts the message. Depending on what node that needs to be connected on RJ45 or a coaxial cable is used to connect these devices. So this is used to connect these devices. Okay, let us see the advantages. Bus network is better suited for a limited number of devices. Is better for a limited number of devices. If more than a few dozen computers are connected, the performance will drop as a result. Also, if the backbone fails, then the entire network becomes unstable. Yeah, previously we said that the main single cable, that is a backbone cable, if it fails, the entire network becomes unstable and disturbed. Okay, this is what bus topology. And here the what means it is a diagram that says in a short manner that what is bus topology. Here this the line, the main cable and the other devices are connected to this. So this is a best example or the best example for the bus topology, as we said. So let us see the advantages of bus topology. The advantages of bus topology are the advantages of bus topology are good for small network setups, less cable needed to connect the required nodes, gives enough flexibility to expand or reduce a network, cost effective and easy to understand. So these are the some advantages of this bus topology. It is easy to understand and it is cost effective. It cost is somewhat affordable, gives enough flexibility to expand or reduce a network, less cable needed to connect the required nodes, good for small network setups. So, okay, these are the advantages, and let us see some disadvantages about this bus topology. The disadvantages of this bus topology are that it is unidirectional. It is unidirectional. If the primary cable fails, the entire network fails. Ideal for only small networks. It deals with it deals good with this small networks than a large cable and large networks. If the as we said before, the if the primary cable or the backbone cable fails, the entire network will fails or disturb or will become unstable, and it is a unidirectional. Okay, unidirectional means it is in a single directional. Okay, these are the disadvantages. Thank you. And this is about uh, bus topology, and there are network types, four main types, and the bus topology is one main type in the network type. And there are the advantages and disadvantages as we discussed in this bus topology, and the diagram we see we have so. So thank you.